Hello everyone and welcome back. This is an unboxing video about a new radio that Roadanvi company sent to me for its review. This is the Roadanvi X12 radio for 2014 to 2021 Toyota Tundra. Its main features are wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G LTE, 10.2 inches display, Bluetooth 5.0, built-in DTS surround sound, touchscreen, Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, Android 12, and a built-in gyroscope. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It came very well packaged and protected. Also, it came with a color printed installation instructions. It has information about the radio, features, variations by truck year, connection diagram, and the accessories included. It comes with all the plug and play harness you need to install it. The unit itself comes surrounded of foam, very well protected by the way. Alright, let's take a closer look to the content. So you will find that there are two harnesses very similar. So the one that you are gonna use depends on the year of your truck. For 2020 to 2021, there is one harness, and for 2014 to 2019, there is another harness. So you have to install the CAN bus board or box into the correct harness depending on the year of your truck. In the next video, I'm going to show you the installation, functionality, and short-term review about this unit. If you are interested on this radio, you can find the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.